Hello guys, today we will discuss about mm, Angular routing. This is part 9 tutorial. Okay, let's go to the Visual Studio Code. First of all, mm, this is the app module. Okay, here actually you need to create one variable or anything you can create here, like route constant route is equal to. Just here you need to assign this product and services. I will doing now routing. Okay, how to navigating to the uh, uh, when button is clicked. Okay, this is the path actually. Path give path name product. Next component component name. Component means here product component. This is the one path I have given, and the same thing can give one more path. And this path is service. Okay, this is the service component. Service component. Okay, these two I have to put it routing. Okay. Actually, this routing module, if it is means okay. Otherwise, you can import it here. I think it is not there. You can import routing module. Okay, dot for route. You can pass that variable here. What is that? Route. Give routes. Anything you can give. Then go to the app.html. Here you can pass router outlet. Okay. Now you can create one anchor tag in that route link. Route link is equal to product. This is the product headline, and the same thing service. Here service. See here, when I click product service, it has been changed here. Okay, even though here check data also changing here. When I click product, it is showing image. When I click service, it is showing service works. Okay, this is working fine. Okay, this is the actually routing module. When you are clicking this product module, without reloading page, it will just updating the content. Here see, image it is updated content. When I click service, service name has been changed. See here, without reloading. Okay. This is the service works. It is the HTML content. It is displaying when you are clicking service button. Okay. Product means product data. It will appear in here. Okay. This is the actually routing concept here. Okay. Thank you guys supporting us.